When we talk about crypto mining giants, names like Marathon Digital or Riot Blockchain usually pop up, but today on Krytonite, I'm pulling back the curtain on 5 incredibly effective crypto miners you've likely never heard of. We're about to uncover hidden gems, undiscovered opportunities, and the innovators quietly revolutionizing the crypto mining space behind the scenes. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just exploring this exciting industry, you won't want to miss these under-the-radar mining companies that could reshape your investment strategy. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to Krytonite for more deep dives, exclusive insights, and the latest updates from the crypto universe. First on our list is Hut 8 Mining Corp., a company that I think could be considered Canada's crypto secret weapon. Headquartered in Alberta, this forward-thinking company has quietly established itself as one of North America's largest and most efficient Bitcoin miners, yet it remains under the radar of many investors. What makes Hut 8 really stand out is their unwavering dedication to sustainability. They've gone above and beyond to harness abundant renewable energy sources like wind, natural gas, and solar power for their operations, significantly reducing their carbon footprint. This emphasis on sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's a strategic business move. By being environmentally conscious, Hut 8 is essentially shielding themselves against potential regulatory hurdles related to energy consumption. Financially, Hut 8 has consistently knocked it out of the park. They've steadily expanded their mining capabilities over the years, and currently operate with one of the highest installed hash rates in North America. Over the last year alone, Hut 8's revenues have surged. This impressive growth is a testament to their strategic expansions, their access to favorable electricity costs, and their overall operational efficiency. Hut 8 keeps a relatively low public profile, focusing on delivering tangible results. They're actively diversifying their portfolio, venturing into exciting new areas like blockchain infrastructure, data hosting, and even artificial intelligence computing. I recently came across a quote from their CEO, Jamie Leverton: "Mining Bitcoin is just the beginning. Our goal is to leverage blockchain's full potential, from supporting AI development to providing high-performance computing infrastructure." Hut 8's strategic moves into these diverse yet related technology sectors position it uniquely for sustained future growth. They're not just riding the crypto wave, they're building the surfboard. So if you're looking for an underrated gem in the crypto mining industry, a company that's both profitable and sustainable, with a CEO that has a clear vision for the future, then Hut 8 Mining Corp is definitely worth exploring further. Next up, we're heading down under to Australia, where Iris Energy is proving that you can mine Bitcoin efficiently without compromising on sustainability. Iris Energy has strategically positioned itself as one of the most environmentally responsible crypto mining firms in the entire industry. They've built their entire business model around renewable power sources, earning them a well-deserved reputation as a leader in green mining. What makes Iris Energy so unique? They've gone all in on hydroelectric power. Iris Energy has strategically located their mining facilities near low-cost renewable energy grids, primarily in regions with an abundance of excess hydroelectric power. This setup significantly lowers their operational costs and ensures that their mining activities remain carbon neutral. Iris Energy's sustainable first approach gives them a massive long-term advantage. They're not just complying with regulations, they're setting a new standard for the entire industry. Iris Energy is growing at an impressive rate. Over the past year alone, they've significantly expanded their mining capacity, increasing their hash rate while keeping their operational costs incredibly low. Iris Energy's access to stable, fixed-cost electricity makes their business model incredibly resilient to price fluctuations. Despite all of these strengths, Iris Energy still flies under the radar for many investors. As the world inevitably shifts towards more eco-friendly blockchain solutions, Iris Energy is perfectly positioned to thrive. They don't just see themselves as a Bitcoin miner. They're aiming to play a much larger role in the global transition to a renewable energy economy. Their official mission statement: "We aim to lead the transition to renewable energy-driven Bitcoin mining, proving that cryptocurrency can thrive sustainably." Iris Energy has actively partnered with local governments and energy providers to ensure that their mining facilities enhance energy efficiency in the areas where they operate. Their innovative, green-first model makes them a truly undervalued and forward-thinking player in the world of crypto mining. If you're looking for a company that's committed to both profit and sustainability, Iris Energy should be at the top of your list. Our third crypto miner on this hidden gems list brings us back to Canada, where Bitfarms is quietly becoming a powerhouse in the industry. Operating primarily in Quebec, Bitfarms has strategically positioned itself to capitalize on Canada's abundance of low-cost hydroelectric power. Bitfarms isn't content with just dominating the Canadian market, they have ambitious plans to scale their operations globally. They've recently expanded into new facilities in Argentina and Paraguay, two countries with incredible potential for renewable energy. This global expansion is a clear sign that Bitfarms is playing the long game. Bitfarms has seen remarkable financial growth recently, significantly increasing their hash rate and expanding their mining capabilities at a rapid pace. Despite this incredible success, Bitfarms somehow remains relatively unnoticed. For savvy investors, this presents a unique opportunity. Bitfarms combines sustainable practices with substantial profitability, all while flying under the radar. One of the things that excites me most about Bitfarms is their aggressive expansion into Latin America. They're tapping into regions with even more affordable renewable energy resources, which gives them a significant competitive advantage. Their CEO, Jeff Morphy, said, "Our Latin American expansion isn't just about growth, it's about reshaping the future of crypto mining globally." If you're looking for a company that's firing on all cylinders, then you need to keep a close eye on Bitfarms. Coming in at number 4, we have a rising star in the American crypto mining scene, Cipher Mining. This company is relatively new to the game, but they're not messing around. Cipher Mining was launched as a spin-off of Bitfury, a well-respected blockchain technology giant. Since their recent entry into the market, Cipher has rapidly scaled their operations and gained serious traction. Cipher has strategically placed its mining facilities across the United States, specifically near sources of affordable and abundant energy. This smart planning allows them to minimize operational costs while maximizing their mining performance. Cipher is also investing heavily in advanced cooling technologies for their mining equipment. These cutting-edge cooling systems significantly increase efficiency and prolong the lifespan of their equipment. Financially, Cipher Mining is already showing incredibly promising results. Their hash rate growth trajectory is nothing short of impressive. They're quickly positioning themselves as one of the emerging leaders in the industry. Despite their impressive performance, Cipher remains relatively unknown compared to established giants. Investors who are paying attention to Cipher now could benefit substantially as the company's market visibility and valuation continue to rise. Cipher has developed an integrated proprietary power management systems that constantly monitor their energy consumption and automatically adjust their mining intensity in real time. This means that they're always optimizing for peak profitability. Cipher Mining's CEO Tyler Page said, "Our goal isn't merely to mine cryptocurrency efficiently, we're building the next generation of mining infrastructure that is smarter, greener, and more profitable." If you're looking for a company that's at the forefront of mining innovation, a company that's poised for explosive growth, then you need to put Cipher Mining on your watch list. And finally, we arrive at number 5 on our list of hidden gems in the crypto mining world, CleanSpark. CleanSpark's secret weapon? Their proprietary energy management software and their strategic use of microgrid technology. Instead of relying solely on external energy providers, CleanSpark has taken control of their energy destiny. They've deployed microgrids, self-contained power grids, that are powered by a mix of renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and battery storage. This allows them to optimize their power consumption dynamically, responding to changes in energy prices and grid availability in real time. This innovative approach drastically reduces their energy costs, enhances their overall efficiency, and significantly lowers their environmental impact. Over the past year, they've achieved remarkable improvements in operational efficiency, resulting in significant cost reductions and increased mining profitability. Their hash rate has been steadily climbing, all thanks to their cost-effective and scalable energy solutions. Despite all of these impressive achievements, CleanSpark somehow remains relatively unnoticed by many mainstream crypto investors. For those of you who are paying attention, CleanSpark is a company that deserves your attention. Their sophisticated, tech-driven approach positions them uniquely for long-term growth. Investors who are looking for the next big thing in mining should absolutely have CleanSpark on their radar. CleanSpark was recently honored with several prestigious awards for their groundbreaking use of software-driven microgrid solutions in cryptocurrency mining. Their CEO, Zach Bradford, said, "We're not just mining Bitcoin, we're pioneering intelligent energy systems that redefine what's possible in sustainability and efficiency." If you're looking for a company that's at the forefront of innovation, a company that's committed to sustainability, then look no further than CleanSpark. So there you have it, my top 5 picks for crypto mining companies that are flying under the radar, but are poised to make a major impact on the industry. These companies are innovating, they're growing, and they're doing it all while prioritizing sustainability. Enjoyed uncovering these crypto mining gems? Hit the like button, subscribe to Krytonite for more amazing crypto news, and stay updated on the world of crypto. Comment down below, which miner intrigued you the most? Remember, this is not financial advice and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Until next time, happy mining.